The road is unpassable. As you can see, this is motorcycle trying to go through. Actually, vehicle cannot pass here because of being slippery, and everywhere it's mud. As you can see, everywhere it's water everywhere. It's how it looks. Guys, look at the river. It's flooded. Yeah, you can see the river. It's really flooded. Unbelievable. You can see it's all flooded. Guys, look at here. Look how the river is flooded. Actually, it has gone down. Before it had flooded until this place. You can see there was a lot of water. You can see it sometimes floods until it covers the bridge. As you can see, this is now our bridge, but you can see how the wind river looks, and this is not normal. Actually, the river, it's only from this tree, it passes there, but all these part is the farm. You can see bananas there. On this side, you can see it's all flooded, as you can see. It's crazy. It's really flooded. Guys, as you can see, it's really crazy. All over flooded. The rain looks like this. It's a rainy season, as you can see here in our village. This is our village. How things are. Everywhere it's water. This is my way to the village. Come with me. Come with me. We're gonna go to our village. This is how the rain has destroyed everything, as you can see. Kila kitu, barabara imebomolewa kama unavyoona. You can see even the vehicle cannot pass here because the road is already demolished. Yeah, is the road. The river had flooded, as you can see, until to this point.